Hey guys, welcome back to the SRK Photoworks YouTube channel. So I'm back again with new AI photo editing tutorial. Now you don't need to have editing skills, now you don't need to waste your time, and now you don't need to spend single money on any software because this AI is totally free. Yes, you heard it right. Absolutely free. This AI edits your picture in just one click. We are going to add cartoon effect. You can see before one and after one. Isn't it look so perfect? Do you guys want to learn this AI editing? So watch the video till the end. Let's start. First, turn on the mobile data. Open Play Store app. We are going to download one app. Now click on search bar and just type TOONME ToonMe app. Select this app and click on install. There are many fake apps in the Play Store, so download right one. I have given app download link in description. You can also download it from there. Just download this app and install it. App is installed. Now next step. Now second step. Check my this video's description. You will see this link, vector art cartoon effect. Now just click on link and this link will redirect you to the app. You will see this interface. By the way guys, if you are watching our videos and if you haven't subscribed our channel then please do it guys, it helps me a lot. Now just slightly scroll up and select your picture. You can crop like this. Once it's done, just click on right arrow. AI started working on your picture. The ad will appear. Just watch it for some seconds, then skip ad, symbol will appear. Now just skip the ad and here is our final result. To save the picture, just click on download.